And here we are entering our room in Paris. Of course, to the immediate right is the bathroom. And here's the sink area, single sink, various towels and amenities here, blow dryer down there. Fanciful red framed mirror, makeup mirror. Here's the toilet and a standalone shower stall adjacent to a standard tub. So if you want to take a bath, you can. You also got the shower stall there. And a little mini bit of Paris Eiffel Tower art. Fairly basic bathroom. And turning out to the right, your room may or may not come with a Mrs. Coaster attached to it. But we have two queen beds here. Looks like an outlet to the right here. There's a light, some wall art, got the phone, a shared nightstand, and 3 individual drawers. And the soft close feature, so that's always nice. Clock. There's a little bench, or you can always use it for luggage. So this is what it's going to look like with the queen. And then whirling around here to the armoire slash entertainment center here with a, looks like it's a flat screen TV, some central drawers of pretty decent length, and it looks a little worn. This is not a new hotel. Probably could use a little modernizing of some of the furniture, but it's certainly functional enough. And then over here we've got a closet with hangers, a safe, and a mini fridge. And then over here, both of course closets are mirrored on the outside, and we got another closet, this one full length with a luggage stand, ironing board, and an iron. And then of course, let's check out what kind of a view. Oh, first we have a desk here with a light, a small desk, small chair, fairly basic desk chair. There is a USB connector here and a single plug available there. And then swinging out here, let's take a look at the view we've got here. And looks like a strip view. We've got the, we're overlooking the pool down below us. And then we've got the Eiffel Tower right in front of us, which is of course one of the attractions you can visit whether you're staying here or not. You can go up and get some views of the strip, or views at sunset are really pretty views. And directly across from us we have the Bellagio, so we'll be able to see at least part of the water show, a little bit obstructed by the Eiffel Tower itself, but pretty view of Bellagio and the water show, as well as we can see Caesars across the way. And then this hotel right over here is Bally's, which is soon to be renovated to Horseshoe. So this is our view. It's a pretty nice little hotel view, and we certainly will be able to see some nice views at night with the Bellagio fountain. Just as soon as we're wrapping up our tour here, the Bellagio fountain show is going on. So this sort of give you an idea of what exactly you can see with your view. I think depending on which side of the tower you're on, you're going to have some sort of obstruction Unless you're way high up, you'll have a little bit less. But you'll at least have a bit of the Eiffel Tower in the way. But you can see a pretty good bit of it. And if you lift these little pieces up here, these kind of slide up and down, shift to the side, that gives you a little, very little bit of audio, so you can maybe able to tell what the music is for it. But you're mostly just looking for the visuals of the show. So that is a tour of the Queen's Standard Room at the Paris. Not too bad. Not super fancy, but not too bad. It's a great location, of course, Center Strip. It's a really good location right across the street from Bellagio, close to Caesars, Cosmopolitan, Bally's, and you know, easy to get to either direction if you're going to head north or south strip. But that's it. Hope you enjoyed this little bit of tour. Check out our other videos in Vegas and other places. And remember, most importantly, have a good time all the time.